Good morning students. Now you are welcome back to 8th standard maths. Today we are going to a new topic named measurement. Now listen, measurements. In the previous classes we learned area of a square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Here we are going, in this chapter we are going to study about sector. Before going to learn sector we must know the circles definitions and the formulas. Now tell me, what is the definition of circle? A circle is a closed curve or closed path which has a fixed point on the center. Which has a fixed point on the center is fixed point on the center, and the constant distance from the center to any point on the circle is called what? Radius. The fixed point on the circle, from the fixed point on the circle to any point on the circle, any point on the circumference of the circle is called what? Radius. புரிஞ்சா? சர்க்கிள்னு சொன்னால் என்னது? ஒரு க்ளோஸ்டு பார்த்து அதில் ஒரு சென்டர் பாயிண்ட், ஃபிக்ஸட் சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் இருக்கும். அதுலேருந்து சர்க்கிளோட எந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு வரைஞ்சாலும் ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூ, அதான் என்னது? ரேடியஸ்ன்னு சொல்லு. நவ் we want to know chord. What is meant by chord and சொன்னா என்னது? The line segment joining between any two points on the circle. The line segment joining any two points on the circle is called what? Chord. This one is called as chord. Did you understand? Now we are going to, now tell me, what is the formula for area of a circle is what? Pi r square. Perimeter of a circle means circumference of outer surface, 2 pi r. Now we are going to study sector. Sector. Now see one example from your book. There are two. This one is represent bangle. This one represent pizza. Now the plane surface, the bangle indicates the boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle. The pizza indicates the plane surface with enclosed. The plane surface which indicate pizza indicates the plane surface which is enclosed with the boundary of the circle. The plane surface which is enclosed with the boundary of the circle is called what? Area of a circle. Did you understand? Now what is the difference? The boundary of the circle na circumference of the circle. The plane surface enclosed with the boundary of the circle. That is area. The sector is the plane surface that indicate two equal radii. The plane surface. So, for cake வாங்கினா அதை cut பண்ணி எடுப்போம் இல்லை, இதே மாதிரி. The plane surface that indicate two equal radii of a circle and a circular arc. Circular arc means it is nothing but a the part of a circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle க்கு ஒரு சின்ன part தான் என்னது? Circular arc. Now what is meant by sector? The plane surface that is enclosed between two equal radii of a circle and a circular part is called sector. Now we see here, sector means what? The plane surface that is enclosed between two equal radii of a circle. Two equal radii of a circle and a circular arc is called what? Sector. And a circular arc is called what? Sector. This is we denoted as theta. Next we are going to learn segment. Segment. Now we are going to learn segment. Each part of a circle which is divided by a chord. Circle padichattu then a chord. If you have any doubt, watch the videos once again. Okay. Chord means what? Sorry, segment means what? Each part of a circle which is divided by a chord is called what? Segment. The chord கொண்டு divide circle divide பண்ணாதா என்ன சொல்லும்? Segment. This one is minor segment. The smaller part is called minor. This one is major segment. Major segment. Now we are going to learn length of the arc. Length of the arc. Length of the arc. What? Now arc means what? Length of the arc. This one is arc. We take from, it is from the sector. Okay, this one is not sector. We take the arc from where? The sector. Length of the arc. This is called length of the arc. This two radii. This one is theta. How will you find the formula for length of the L equal to theta by The total angle value is what? 360 degree into circumference of the circle. Length of the arc is nothing but circumference of. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r units. This is the formula for length of the arc. Next we are finding area of the sector. Area of the sector equal to, here that is nothing but theta by 360 degree into, what is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square units. Pi r square unit. Area of the semicircle. Area of a semicircle. Semicircle means the picture is how we divide the circle into two parts. This one is semicircle of a circle. Here the semicircle, here 2 radius. Now what's the circumference of a semicircle? The full circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So for a semicircle, this pi r. Now how will you write area of a semicircle? What is the formula? We know pi r square by 2 square units. The area is paadi. Now how will you write in sector form? In center, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now what is the value of theta for semicircle? The theta is what? 180 degree. Theta paadi is 180. For a complete circle, the theta degree value is what? 360 degree. For a semicircle, 180 degree. Substitute here 180 degree by 360 degree into pi r square. Now 180 is 80. 2 180s are 36. So it is same. Pi r square by 2 square units. Next we are going to learn area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant. Now quadrant means what? Kalband. Abidana quadrant na kaldan. 1 by 4. This one is 90 degree. This is length of the. What's the formula? Pi r square by 4. Now in sector form, how do you write? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square by sorry. What's the theta value? 90 degree. 90 by 360 degree into pi r square. 0 cancel. 1 9 is 9. 4 9s are 30. So pi r square by 4 square units. This is area of a quadrant. Next we are going to learn perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector. Now you know the diagram for a sector. This one is what? Length of the. This is 2 radius. How will you write perimeter of a sector? L plus how many? R plus R. Now how will you write? L plus 2R units. This is the formula for what? Perimeter of a sector. Now we are finding for perimeter of a semicircle. Perimeter of a semicircle. Now listen children, perimeter means what? The outer surface area of the figure. In the semicircle perimeter of a semicircle, now listen. The circumference of a circle is what? Pi r. Now the diameter, 2 radius. R plus R. How will you write? Pi r plus 2r. Now here we can take r is common. Taken out. R is common. Pi plus 2 units. This is the value for perimeter. Perimeter na outer surface area of the picture. Next we want to find what? Perimeter of a quadrant. Perimeter of a quadrant. Now perimeter of a quadrant means what? This is the picture for perimeter of a quadrant. Now this one is what? Pi r by 2. ഇതിൽ പാതി அப்படிதானே இந்த செமி சர்க்கிளில் பாதி அப்போ இதில் பாதினா என்ன விடும்? பை ஆர் பை 2 தான் குவாட்ரன். இங்கே என்ன டிகிரி? Then radius. Now how will you write perimeter? Pi r by 2 plus r plus r. Now pi r by 2 plus 2r. Here also we can take r as common. Pi by 2 plus 2. Now tell me here how many formulas we learn. This is the formula for perimeter of a quadrant. So you must learn these formulas. Then only we can do the sums. Okay. So what is the formula for area? We want to first study area of a sector. What is the formula for area of a sector? Area of a sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square units. Now length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Now perimeter of a sector formula is what? Perimeter of a sector is equal to L plus 2r. L plus 2r. Next, perimeter of a semicircle r into pi plus 2 units. Perimeter of a r into pi by 2 plus 2 units. Okay. For area we are writing square units. Perimeter units. Yana outer surface add பண்ணி எழுதுறதா என்னது perimeter. அப்ப அதுக்கு என்னது units போடுவோம். Area na square, the plane surface that is enclosed by the boundary of the circle. புரியுதா? The plane surface, the boundary in இதான் என்னது area. So we denote here the units as square units.